This is a video of documenting the Yale lock keypad not working. I have pulled up the Yale lock on the app just to show you that the battery is plugged in and working correctly. Now the door is unlocked. This shows that the battery is working because the lock was able to power on and power out, or lock and unlock from the app. Now when I open the door and if I click it, Yale, it's not powering on. Clicking it does nothing. Now if I pull up the app again, so that powered, but now I can't do anything here. And I click it, and now I'm gonna show you so it is locked. So the display comes on, but nothing happens when I click the buttons. This is just, you can see the numbers in the sun, but the Yale lock, nothing is working on the touch screen.